Hey everyone, Ryan Wilkerson, Director of Growth with the Dave Friedman team at Keller Williams Real Estate here in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I wanted to talk to you and shoot a quick video about a fail-proof system to ensure listing success. So when it comes to selling properties, crafting exceptional real estate listings is the key. It sets the tone for the entire real estate process. It attracts serious buyers and it helps you stand out in a very, very competitive market. As a listing agent, you know how important it is to get this right. What if you could do it with the backing of a proven system, expert support, and unlimited qualified leads? As a listing agent, standing out in a crowded market can be very, very difficult. Common challenges are going to include things like making listings shine when there is a sea of competition, writing compelling narratives that capture a buyer's attention, dealing with low quality photos or incorrect pricing that undercuts the property's appeal, missing the right timing that leads to fewer views and less interest. These issues can make even the most experienced listing agents feel completely overwhelmed. But imagine having a team behind you that would help eliminate all of these obstacles to help you succeed. Here at DFT on our team, you will never go at it alone. We've perfected a system over 26 years that helps listing agents create standout property marketing, build client relationships, and close deals faster. Here's what you'll have access to as a member of the Dave Friedman team. Unlimited qualified leads. Say goodbye to chasing prospects. We deliver pre-screened, motivated clients directly to you. Our proven marketing system, from high quality photography, compelling property descriptions to virtual tours or strategic pricing guidance, we equip you with everything you need to make your listing stand out. Our expert training and coaching. Whether you're refining your storytelling skills or you're mastering pricing strategies, our coaching helps elevate your game. Streamlined processes. We want you to focus on what you do best, winning listings and serving clients. We take care of the rest with top-tier administrative and marketing support. 10 to 12 appointments every single month. Forget cold calls, door knocking, opening houses, or soliciting friends and family. We set qualified appointments for you so you can focus on showings, listings, and offers. Nothing more. The things that every real estate agent got into this business to do while removing all of that administrative minutia. Look, imagine selling 9 homes in 90 days. No cold calls, no door knocks, no open houses, right? Just showings, listings, and offers. And when you join us here at the Dave Friedman team, you'll gain access to unlimited ready-to-go appointments. These are going to be pre-screened, motivated buyer and seller leads delivered weekly with no prospecting required. You'll have access to proven systems and expert training that are going to set you up for success from day one. It's a simple step-by-step framework that will show you exactly how to manage appointments and close more deals. Our support team of administrative and marketing specialists are going to handle all of your paperwork. They're going to handle all of your client communication and follow-up, all of the logistics of a transaction. They're going to provide you with professionally designed listing descriptions, stunning social media posts, targeted ads, and more, all done for you. So if you'd like 10 to 12 new appointments set for you every month, then give us a call. We are overloaded with new clients. Our agents cannot handle anymore, but we do only have enough appointments for 5 new agent partners. So if this is something that's interesting to you, please don't delay. And I am not asking for a commitment today. I'm asking for you to simply explore the opportunity and decide from the inside whether or not you think we could benefit your real estate business. The only way to know if this is right for you is to try it yourself. So here's what you have to do. Go to davefriedmancoaching.com and secure your spot. Use our proven systems, tools, and team to help transform your business. If it's not everything that we promise, it's no hard feelings. You are always free to walk away. So you could keep grinding with outdated methods, or you can partner with a team and system designed to help you close 9 homes in 90 days. The choice is yours. So give us a call, 843-800-2465, or visit davefriedmancoaching.com to get started now. Let's make it happen. The next 90 days could change everything for your real estate business.